Bird Bros.
Well, it's winter time and we're going to Whitby.
Yeah, here we are. Checking to see if the helmet cam's on.
We gotta go.
It's birding time.
They love this black sunflower seeds. They go right for them every time.
What a bunch of chumps.
Black cat chickadee here.
They just won't stop coming to my hand.
Ew, that's gross, Sean. And here's a white-breasted nuthatch. Kind of looks like it shirted itself. Beautiful red northern cardinal, balancing on one leg just to show us his skills.
Notice the black face mask. Here's our friend Stuart. He's telling us some hot spots in Whitby.
Yeah. Telling us where we could find some great horned owls, maybe a barred owl. Also told us to swing by the harbor here, but not much going on.
Whoa, this is enough to make you seasick. Dare you surfing that icy water.
Glad I wasn't on the Titanic.
Chillin' out.
Yeah, you don't even need to flap your wings here.
It's like an indoor skydiving tunnel.
Some white-tailed deer.
Notice the white tail? Not really. Not really at all. The tail's black. There's a black tail, John.
When their tails go up, it's all white.
These guys are a little bit alerted. Always on guard.
Yeah, a bunch of young ones here.
Whoa! Back off, dude.
And here's the mourning dove. Woo, woo, woo. Mourning doves kind of sound like an owl. Woo, 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 woo. You look closely, it's got a pink shine on the back of the neck there. Some light blue around the eyes with a hint of green right at the front part of the eye. Feathers are so finely detailed. I love it.
Hey, we're here in Whitby and we just found a barred owl. It's in this tree up above. We were looking for great horns, but a local told us there might be a barred owl here as well.
Barred owl! Here we are! Barred owl!
His eyes are black as night.
His feathers are brown and white.
Whoa! Barred owl!
Barred owl!
What are you doing in the daytime?
It's got the cool facial disc to help us sound. And it weighs up to 1,000 grams. It's got the yellow beak.
The feathers are so striped.
They call it barred because of the barring on the feathers.
It's got a 49-inch wingspan. They like to eat small rodents. Fuck off, crows! Stop bugging me! They will also fight other owls. Leave it alone.
He's rocking out to the music. He's rocking out to the solo.
Fly away, barred owl.
Fuck off, crows. Now it's the beginning of spring, and we're back to Whitby.
Here we are at Dixon Woods.
We got a winter wren here, just collecting supplies for its nest.
Here we got a cedar waxwing.
Yeah, you see one cedar waxwing, just stay a bit, and you'll see probably another 10 more fly in.
Look at that red fleck on its wing and the yellow flecks on the tail.
Yeah, and they love to eat berries off trees. Their most favorite fruit.
That looks delicious. Dare you to eat one?
Haha, no. Lots of birds are in love at this time of year, looking for their soulmates, building nests.
Here's an American goldfinch. Isn't he lovely with his yellow body?
And that orange beak. And here's some newly in love songbirds.
I wonder what they're singing to each other.
Here's a lonely swamp sparrow searching for his mate.
Aww. Here I am, looking for something of my own.
A deer!
Wow!
Eating the brand new leaves of the spring.
I hope he's not being poked in the eye. Look at that nose. Great for... Deer have great senses of hearing and smell.
You can see why they call it a white-tailed deer. American robin. Telltale of springtime.
Oh, the fish are having sex.
Yeah, carp sex.
Whoa!
Getting it on.
Here's the blue-winged teal.
Yeah, also in love. Female on the left and the male on the right. Look at that. So beautiful.
Here's a northern shoveler and his mate.
Ah, springtime.
Must be on a date.
And here's the green-winged teal off in the distance. Another lovely pair.
Turkey in the marsh. It's not Thanksgiving yet. Here we are walking out on a dam.
Whoa, look at that big fish there. Probably another carp. Bunch of double-crested cormorants just chilling in the tree there. Oh, whack of them. Oh, whack.
Here's John finding love with a raccoon. Maybe it's his partner.
And this raccoon is not really scared of us. Sandhill crane flying over.
Look at the fingertip type wings and how it keeps its neck straight in flight.
And one of only 2 types of cranes found in Ontario.
John will do anything to get the shot. Here he is standing on a railing. F***ing surrounded by bugs.
It's in there.
But there we got it. A Virginia rail.
Took a lot of patience to get this footage. Kinda looks like a chicken walking around.
Cheers.
Thanks for watching this episode of the Bird Bros.
Here in Whitby, saw lots of cool birds. Barred owl.
Yeah, we saw that in the winter, February. And we came back in the spring, and what do we see?
Saw that freaky raccoon that came right up to John.
Yeah, that was pretty cool. Also, the cedar waxwings.
Cedar waxwings, blue-winged teal,
Yeah,
all sorts of cool shit. Stay tuned for more.
yeah. Like, subscribe, and share our videos.
Go on the YouTube and check this shit out because YouTube shows the bird balls. www.birdballs.com. Like and subscribe. Bird balls.
Bird Bros.
Bird bros. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when the bird on the bird bros? What you gonna do? What you gonna do when the bird for you?